video is sponsored by Brilliant. Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. We want a 2-digit number multiplied by a 3-digit number that gives us a 5-digit number. And we want to use each of the digits 0 to 9 exactly once. This seems straightforward, but it's kind of difficult. I don't suggest you try it on your own, but if you want to try it on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. I tried to do it by hand. I could not figure out how to do this. So I decided the best way to do this is write a Python script. First, I want to import from this module. So we're going to start by defining a function to check that each digit is used exactly once. Everything following the hashtag is not going to be read. That's just notes for us to look at. So we're going to define the function exactly once check. This function will check if a given 2-digit number, a 3-digit number, and their product use each of the digits from 0 to 9 exactly once. Then we're going to convert the numbers to strings and concatenate. And here's the code to take care of that. And then we're going to check if all the digits from 0 to 9 are used exactly once. We can do that with the return sorted combined. We're going to check the list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, we're going to define a function to create all combos. And we'll call the function find combinations. Now we want it to loop through all possible 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. For the 2-digit numbers, we want everything in the range from 10 to 99. And for the 3-digit numbers, we want everything in the range from 100 to 999. And then the product is going to be the 2-digit numbers times the 3-digit numbers. So then we're going to check if the product is a 5-digit number. So the lowest 5-digit number is 10,000. We want that to be less than or equal to our product. And we want that to be less than or equal to the highest 5-digit number, which is 99,999. And so we're going to use our original function to check to make sure each digit was used exactly once. If it was used exactly once, we'll add that to our list of valid results. And now we're basically done. We're going to find and print all valid combinations. So say valid combinations equals find combinations for combo in valid combinations. So for every result that works, we're going to print out the 2-digit number, then times the 3-digit number, and equal to the corresponding 5-digit number. And then if no valid combinations are found, we're going to print no valid combinations found. And then at the end, we can print how exciting. So now let's run it. And we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 results. I'm going to grab a calculator and check one of these. So I just checked the first one on the calculator. It works. I'm going to assume the rest of these work as well. How exciting. Looking at these, I still don't know how to solve these by hand, but I think this is a brilliant use case for Python. Speaking of Brilliant, let's talk about Brilliant. Brilliant has thousands of lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI. And all of them are interactive, which is the most effective way to learn. If you like to learn how to write a Python script like we did in this video, they have tons of courses on Python. Here's one, Programming with Python. There's Applied Python. There's Next Steps in Python. And there's many more programming courses. Not only are you going to learn valuable coding skills, but you're also going to build daily habits of learning and problem-solving skills. And then you're going to want to go through more courses. If you want to check these out or any other course on Brilliant.org, they have a free 30-day trial. You can visit Brilliant.org/AndyMath or click on the link in the description. You can also get 20% off an annual premium plan. How exciting.